Uh, Yesterday we discussed about the themes, plugins, and about the Elementor page builder, which is also a plugin. Today we'll first see how to upload the plugin. Yesterday I showed how to install plugins. Today I'll show how to upload the plugin. In the same way, same manner, we can upload the themes also. So first of all, let's go to the plugins area. And click the plugins area. Here in the top, you can see add new. Then when you go to the add new, you can see upload plugin option at the top. In the bottom, you can search a plugin and install. Let's say you have a plugin which is not in this, not from which you can't find from this WordPress plugin list, and you have downloaded it from elsewhere, and you wanted to upload it to a website. So let's say this is the plugin we want. Essential add-ons for Elementor. So we click the download button, then it will be downloaded like this. Since now you have to go to this place, upload plugin. And it will open a dialog box. Okay, now I think now it's loaded. Now here you can see the uploading area. You can drag and drop. Usually these files are in zip format. Just drag it here. Oh. Wait. Seems the dragging option is not working, so we have to select from the downloaded position, place, then click the open. Then it will be selected like this, and click the install now button. Then it will be uploading, and plugin was installed successfully. And then activate the plugin. Then it will be activated. So now we are in the plugin wizard, the wizard of the plugin we installed. This is the plugin we installed, essential add-ons. Then you can configure the add-on anyway like this. Okay, now that's how we can upload and plug in. I'll quickly show you again. Go to plugins and can click even add new, or in the top part can see this add new button, then upload plugin. It will show up this. Then you have to choose the plugin file which is in zip format and click the install button. If you want to install a theme the same way, you can do it. Wait. Okay, now let's go to WordPress.org and find the theme. There are other websites you can download themes. Let's download this theme. It will be downloaded. Okay, now in order to go to themes, you have to go to the appearance and then select themes and go to add new. And same as the plugin, go to the upload theme option. Now from here you can select. This is the theme we downloaded. Now click the install. So this is couldn't copy file. This is due to some error. Public HTML. This is due to an error in the theme. These things usually happen when you download themes from various sites, but I think there's a error. This you can see this URL, which is our host. This is a web hosting folder. When you learn about web hosting, someday you will know. When we install WordPress in a folder called public HTML. So it shows this error as now they can't copy this file. So due to that, they have stopped the theme installing thing process. So we'll try to download another theme. Basically, that is the process. Whether it fails or not, that is the way. I'll try to upload another one. Okay, let's go again to the upload theme. Then select the theme. Oh, no, I didn't select the theme. You have to choose the file. Okay, choose the file. This is our new theme. Let's try installing this. Now you can see the theme installed successfully. Previously, I think that theme file has some file which can't be installed or some error, neglect that. So you can select the live preview and you can see if we apply that theme to our website, our website should look like this. Okay, can activate and publish if you want. When you go to themes, now you can see the new themes we installed and all. Okay, this is a theme which I have uh, installed yesterday. So today, let's learn how to make a good home page. I'll be using the Elementor page builder. So I'll be creating a new page. For that, you also can go to this Elementor and create a new page, or else you can create a page like this and edit it using the Elementor. You can see this here. So this is the home page which we are going to make. So yesterday I told you to set up your Elementor account so that we can use the pages, options and templates. So a lot of things are pro, that means you have to pay. These blocks are sorry, there are a lot of blocks you can use for various things. You can check them. I am using a page option and I'll select a certain template. Something like this. When you click the insert, it will insert into our into this page. So you can see now it is inserted into our site. So the advantage of choosing such template is you can customize easily, and this template should be ideal for your work. And if you are making some website related to the exercise and health, now this one is good. But even we can edit this and remove them, delete them. Yeah, all these control panel is in the left side. You can even change this photo. You can change this heading. Let's change this to it's time to learn, something like that. And you can edit this text area, and you can see this when we when you take the mouse into this button, its color change. That is called hovering. Uh, Now here, when you click the button, these settings will appear. You can see from the type, you can select the type of the button, and this button text you can change it. In the alignment, you can change it. Size, button size. Then the button icon. This is the button icon. This arrowhead, you can change it if you want. And icon position, you can put here. Icon spacing, that is spacing means the space between the text and the icon. Then the button ID. Button ID will be important if you are attaching this button to any other settings. Then let's go to the style. So this when you select the normal, this is the normal color is blue. Hovering means when user take the mouse into the button area, the color will be changed. Now we can change these colors to green. So Now it will become green. In these things, I think you can understand easily. These are customization, the styling settings, and easily customize this. And even these things, and even now in this editor, this plus button means you can add things to add sections up. This from using this, you can move this. You can even put into the water. Okay, can put it here like this, and then drag and drop it like that. From that, you can delete the sections, and even you can add section here, and you can add other and even pages or blocks. You can add this. Like that, you can edit. Do you have any questions? ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? And in order to save these settings, you have to you can even save draft, save as a template, or you can just publish. And so to make this as our do you call the home page, you have to go back to the dashboard, and select, I think, let's do it. Let's go to the dashboard. And shift to the dashboard. So this is this page. Elementor has 68. You can make this as the home page. This reading area. So our home page is, you can make this new page and save the changes. So now let's go to our website. So this is the view. Even these logos, things you can customize and change. And there are a lot of templates, and there are other plugins. Then there are other page builders. Yesterday also I showed you several page builders. Basically these page builders will help us to create things easily. Otherwise, if you want, you can build from scratch using this HTML like languages. So in the appearance settings, there's this thing called this theme editor. Let's go to that area. Wait, it will load. So this theme editor area, now they will give you a warning. Please don't edit if you don't know how to about this area. Don't edit things, otherwise the things will be changed. So these are the files of your theme. So if you know about PHP, HTML, and CSS, you can edit and customize your theme. is the our theme is the Astra. Our theme. You can edit. Theme functions are controlled in this functions.php file. You can add functions, you can delete functions, and please don't delete or add functions if you don't know. Otherwise, the functionality of the theme will be uh, destructed. Like that. That is the theme editor area. Also, there is a plugin editor. You can even edit the plugins. Again, they will give you a warning. Here, you can from this you can select the plugin and edit. And that is that. So that is basically the Elementor and the themes and theme editor, plugins and plugin editor. So there are a lot of plugins. Actually, yesterday also we discussed. I mentioned few great plugins before wind up the session. So let's go to this recommended plugins. I'll give brief introduction about several plugins. Okay, this WooCommerce, it is an plugin which is uh, great for if you are starting e-commerce website, a shop. This plugin will give a lot of functionalities, like a lot of options. If you want to make a website like that, you can install, and this plugin will do a lot of things easier. So as I told yesterday, Yoast SEO is one of the most famous plugins you can use to optimize the search engine visibility. WordPress, I will be discussing about this plugin when we are talking about security. It's a good security plugin. Jetpack, yesterday I discussed about this. It's good for security, backup, analytics, and a lot of things. Lightspeed, there's a thing called Lightspeed server. You can use this to speed up your server and website functions. Contact Form 7 is one of the great plugins you can use to make contact forms, and a lot of functionalities you can, like surveys. There are a lot of functionalities, and these are some plugins used for productivity and making the website more efficient and more speed, like good loading speed and like things. There are a lot of plugins actually. What else? All these smart slider. There will be a lot of plugins called sliders. I think you have seen in some websites. There are images that will randomly change. You can make sliders, and usually these plugins, sliders and other plugins, they all support your page builders, and you can add them just like an element to the page builder, and they will show you uh, the slideshow like thing. You can add the videos and lot of things to these sliders. There are a lot of YouTube videos regarding this each and every plugin. It is not practical to teach about millions of plugins, so you have to learn by yourself. And also, if you have any problem, you can ask us, and you can search YouTube for videos and a lot of tutorials. I think when you encounter problem regarding when you the WordPress website building, you can search the WordPress community, WordPress.org community, and also this support for what I mentioned, also the Google, and the, most probably the same problem have encounter to some other person earlier than you, and there will be the answer. So that's how you should learn, by doing things. So if you have any other question, please ask now. Otherwise, we can stop the session for the day. And I will upload the other two videos. Actually, I didn't have any time these days to upload. I'll try to upload it at least tomorrow.